Looking to log into Poppo Live for the first time? In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to access your Poppo Live account quickly and securely. To begin, open the Poppo Live app on your mobile device. On the main screen, you'll see several login options. You can choose to sign in using your Facebook or Google account. If you prefer, you can also tap the drop-down arrow to use your phone number or email address instead. Before you proceed, make sure to check the radio button to agree to Poppo Live's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. This is required to continue. In this example, we'll log in using a Facebook account. Tap Login with Facebook, then on the next screen, tap Continue to give permission. After logging in, you'll be prompted to complete your profile setup. Enter your full name, select your date of birth, and choose your country or region. Then, select your gender and upload a profile picture. Once all fields are filled in, tap the Submit button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it, you're now logged in and ready to start exploring Poppo Live. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips.